Have you ever met someone who walks into a room and instantly people just like them? They're not necessarily the best looking, not the funniest, but something about them just draws people in. That's charisma, and it's one of the most powerful skills you can develop. But here's the good news: charisma isn't magic, it's not something you're born with, it's something you build. Today, I'm going to share how to become more charismatic with the real stories, body language hacks, and mindset shifts that completely changed how I connect with people. What charisma actually is and what it's not. When we think of charisma, we often picture a movie star or a politician giving a big speech, right? But that's not the full story. Charisma isn't about being loud or flashy, it's about how people feel about themselves when they are around you. Let me repeat that. People remember less of what you say and more of how you make them feel. Think of someone like Keanu Reeves, calm and soft spoken, yet incredibly charismatic, right? Why? Because he radiates presence and kindness. Or take APJ Abdul Kalam, for example. Humble, thoughtful, deeply connected with people when he spoke, he made people feel seen. And that's the foundation of real charisma. It's emotional intelligence, not performance. The power of presence. There's a story I love. During an interview, Princess Diana once met a janitor before an event. Instead of just brushing past him, she stopped, smiled, and asked his name. That's presence. Being charismatic starts with this one thing. When you are with someone, be completely with them. No checking the phone, no mentally rehearsing what you'll say next, just be there. Try this in your next conversation. Look at the person, listen fully, and pass before you respond. That pass signals confidence, not hesitation. Presence is like an invisible magnet. When you are truly present, people feel it instantly. Have you noticed how some people's energy lights up a room while others just drain it? Here's a truth I learned the hard way: your energy introduces you before you even speak. Charismatic people don't necessarily have high energy, they have authentic energy. They smile genuinely, they greet people warmly, and they make eye contact like they actually care. I once had a manager who would walk into the office and say, "Morning team, how's the day going?" or "What's good today?" every single day. It wasn't fake, he actually wanted to know. And even on bad days, his tone lifted the mood. That's charisma, being the kind of person people feel better after meeting. If you want to be more magnetic, ask yourself, when I walk into a space, does the energy go up or down? So, now here's the fun part: charisma isn't about perfection, it's about connection. And nothing connects faster than storytelling and vulnerability. People love authenticity. When you share small personal moments like how you messed up at work or how you used to be shy, it makes you relatable. For example, when I first started talking to people, I always overthink everything. Did I sound weird? Did I smile too much? Yeah. But once I started owning those awkward moments and laughing at myself, people relaxed. Because charisma isn't about being flawless, it's about being real and comfortable with who you are. So tell stories, share your thoughts. See, even a simple example like "I used to struggle with that too" can create a powerful bond. So now I'll share with you how you can actually practice charisma every day. First point: smile and hold the eye contact. Even for one extra second, it signals confidence and warmth. Second, use people's name. Yes, the sweetest sound to anyone. As Dale Carnegie said, it's their own name. Third one, leave people feeling better. Even a small compliment like "that's a great point" or "you explain things so clearly" builds trust and liking instantly. And one bonus habit: genuinely listen. When people feel heard, they automatically associate you with charisma. So, here is a small challenge for you. Tomorrow, in your next conversation, don't think about what to say. Just think, how can I make this person feel valued right now? That's how charisma begins. Not in grand speeches, but in small, genuine moments. Remember, charismatic people aren't born special, they just decide to make others feel special. So go out there, smile, listen, and connect because your energy can change the whole room. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more mindset and communication tips, and tell me in the comments one what's one small thing you'll do this week to be more charismatic.